Hello Ash, welcome to your Toast to the Masters. How are you doing
Thank,
today?
thank you so much, Toastmaster Vamsi, for inviting me. Yes, I'm doing very good. How about you?
Good, good. I have few quick questions for you. Are you ready?
Sure.
Okay. Tell me about Ash and Toastmaster Ash.
All right. So Yash is someone who is a procrastinator and you always likes to sleep and do nothing. On the other hand, Toastmaster Yash is very much active and get things done real quick and real fast from others and do it yourself. And now today in this age I say that the lines are very much blurry between Yash and Toastmasters because all the things are merged in this online times. My workplace and home and study place are all on the same table, same screen, same all stuff. So that's why there's no much difference left between Yash and Toastmaster Yash.
That's pretty neat, I would say. Okay, then let's go to the second one. Toastmasters is about public speaking and leadership skills. Now, how do you feel about being a leader in Toastmasters?
All right, being a leader in Toastmasters, I'll share my leadership journey with you because when I joined Toastmasters back in 2018, it was when our club got chartered on September 5th September, and I became a member on 8th September. So at that time, the then treasurer, the charter treasurer, was not able to fulfill their duties because they had to move cities due to some work related stuff. So the my club president asked me, why don't you become a treasurer? So after just 3 days of becoming a member, I came into leadership in my club as a club treasurer. Then in the next term became the club VVPR. Then in the next term became the club president and as well as the area director. So leadership has always been with me since I joined Toastmasters. I'm still a member, but just a member, just a mere member for just like 3 days, and then came into leadership. And it's been a quite a journey in leadership in Toastmasters, I must say, because when I joined, just because I saw a meet and in my mind it was just like I want to improve my communication skills, and I was not thinking about leadership as a per se in general. But when I came into leadership, from the role of a treasurer till BPPR, then president, area director, and so on, I came to know that this is a platform where you not only build your communication skills or oratory skills, but also your leadership skills. It not just like being a club executive committee member, when you take up roles in a meeting as well. For example, if you take a role of a Toastmaster of the day, you take a lead in that meeting. If you take up the role of a table topics master, you take a lead in that meeting. Play the role of general evaluator, that's also a leadership role that you take in Toastmasters. Just a mere speaker, you came forward and show your leadership skills, like when you came forward and overcame your fear of public speaking from your first icebreaker till the level 5 project and so on. So I must say that in Toastmaster, leadership and communication and auditory skill, they go hand in hand in this platform.
Such a wonderful answer. I expect no less from you, Toastmaster. Yes, we are good to have you with us. Now, my last question. What makes you renewal again and again?
What makes me renew again and again? First of all, my VP membership makes me renew again and again. But the experience that I have gained in Toastmaster, the relationships that I built, friends, and these people are just more than friends. And not only in my club, from various other clubs as well, various cities, towns, various districts, states, and so on. So we are just a very much big family, and it's a very nice connection with all of them because we are always there by each other's side in Toastmasters, in their project, apart from Toastmasters as well in your life. And whenever you are there, people have built relationships in a certain way, in a certain manner, so that it won't get affected by just like for example, if I'm a speaker and one of my friend who is a Toastmaster is an evaluator, he criticizes me, so that won't break our friendship because our bond is on a different level in Toastmasters also. So that makes me renew again and again the relationship, the friendship, and the overall experience that we have gained, we have built for each other in this community. That's what makes me renew again and again.
Wow, pretty neat, I would say, Toastmaster. Yes, yes, truly. So many relations and bonding, so many friends. Toastmaster is our next family, I would say. Thank
Absolutely.
you, Toastmaster, yes, for your wonderful answers, I would say. And we can see a lot of guidance in those words. Definitely, we will take this as a, I would say, like a manuscript for us to follow a great path ahead in those. Soon we will catch you with more interesting questions. Thank you, Toastmaster.
Thanks, Osma Vamsi. Take care.